students, good morning to all. Today we will discuss the numbers, lesson 1. Okay. I hope you all are familiar the 4-digit number in your third class. Okay. Let me introduce the 5-digit number and 6-digit number and 7-digit number. In this year you will learn. Okay, I hope you. Now we will go to the class. Okay. First of all, this end of this video, you can identify 5-digit number, 6-digit number, and 7-digit number, and the place value system. There are two types of place value systems are there. One is Indian place value system, another one is international place value system. Okay, you already know. So this end of this video, you know what is the relationship between Indian place value system and international place value system. So now we will go in this video. Come, I have given some example number. The number is 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit number. You have to identify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits are there. So now this is the 5-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 6-digit number, and this is 7-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a 7-digit number. You know already. Okay. Now we will discuss the. I will introduce the lakhs place. Okay. Is an Indian place system, Indian place value system. You already learn 10,000 place. Okay. This year you will learn the extra one more place, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. So you already know, students, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs place. Okay. These all are the place value. Okay. So how many periods are there? 3 periods. 1, 2, 3. So how many digits? 7-digit, 3 period. You know already what is period. Okay. Period means when we read or write the large number, we group them. It is called period. Okay. This is a 7-digit number. High period, I give period 3. Okay. So this is a 1 period, 1,000 period, lakh period. Okay. Then this is the international place value system. This is 1 place, 1,000 place, million place. So this year you may learn extra million period. Okay. So now we will see ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Now we will see what is the relationship between Indian system and international system. Here you can see 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. One relation. Okay. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Let's see. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Okay. Now 10,000 is 10 lakhs is equal to 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Okay. 10 lakh. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. Okay, this year you can learn the relationship between Indian place value system and international place value system, the two relation. Okay, 100,000. Okay, 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Okay, and 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Okay. Okay. Now you can identify 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, and 7-digit number, and you can identify which is Indian place value system and which is international place value system, and you can identify Indian place value system and international place value system. What is the relationship between them? Okay. Now let us see some examples. I have given 5-digit number, 6-digit number and 7-digit number. We will place the value into the table, Indian place value table. Okay. I have given 5. You can identify. It's a 5-digit number. It's a 6-digit number. It's a 7-digit number. How you can identify? I already told you. Okay. So I will place the value in the chart. Okay. It's an Indian place value chart. Okay. So 8 is a ones place. Okay. 5 tens place, 100 place 4, 1000 place 5, 10,000 place 3. It's a place value. Okay. So it's a place value 10,000. So 3 into 10,000, 30,000. Okay. Plus 5 into 1000, 5,000. Plus 4 into 100, 400. Plus 5 into 10, 50. Plus 8 into 1, 8. So we can say 35,458. Okay. Let us see another number, 6-digit number. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. Now I will place the number in the chart, Indian place value system chart. Okay. So 9, 7, 0, 0, 1, 8. Now 8 into lakh, 8 lakh. Okay. 1 into 10,000, 10,000. Okay. Plus 0 into 1000, 0. 0 into 100, 0. 7 into 10, 70. Plus 9 into 1, 9. How we can read this number? 8 lakh. Okay. 10,079. How we can read this number? 8 lakh 10,079. Okay. Now we will see 7-digit number. So I will place the number 5, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So it's a new place, 10 lakh and lakh. Okay. So how many number is a 1? 1 into 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. 0 into lakhs, 0. 0 into 10,000, 0. 0 into 1,000, 1,000. Plus 100, 0 into 100, 0. Plus 3 into 10, 30. Plus 5 into 1, 5. Now how we can say this number? 10 lakh 35. Okay. 10 lakh 35. I hope you students now you can place the Indian place value system. You can place, you can identify and you can read 5-digit number, 6-digit number and 7-digit number. Okay. Okay students, when we write large number, when we write or read large number, you might have give period. Let us see how give period. Now I will give some example, then you can understand when we write large number where to give period. Let us see. Here already we know this number, okay, because I place a chart. Now I am going to give period. See, it's a 5-digit number. Okay, as per the Indian place value system, I will give 3, 5, 4, 5, 8. As per the Indian rule, where to give first period? Ones, tens, hundreds. So ones, tens, 100. After I give 1 comma. Then as per the Indian place value system, you have to give 1,000, 10,000 after a period. But here 1,000, 10,000, after that there is no any number. So no need to give period. So here 1 period is there. Then second, take another example. 9, 7, 0, 0, 1, 8. It's a 6-digit number. Okay. So now how we will give period? So as per the Indian place value system, ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. So here I have given 1 period. So as per the Indian place value system, the second period 1000, 10,000. So 1000, 10,000 after a 1 period. Okay, listen carefully. I will give some number. You should have give period. Okay. Then 7-digit number I will give period. So 5, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. It's a 7-digit number. How we will give period? So as per the Indian rule, ones, tens, hundred. So ones, tens, hundred after a period. Then after 1000, 10,000. So after a period, 1000, 10,000 a period. After lakh, 10 lakh. So lakh, 10 lakh. Then after that there is no number. So no need to give period. So I hope you students, if when you write a large number, you might know how to give period. Okay.